In a second, I'll show you the inside because that is honestly the best part of these muffins. You'll find the ingredients in the video description and I'm starting right away. First, I crack the eggs into a blender bowl. Then I add cottage cheese, season with salt, pepper and favorite herbs and blend until smooth. Stay till the end. I'll show you how to top them with cheese so you get that golden crust everyone loves. I grease the muffin tin with a little oil. If you use silicone molds, you can skip this step. I fill each cup about 2/3 of the way up. Now the add-ins, and this is my favorite part because you can use whatever is left in the fridge. I'm using ham, sweet pepper, spinach and broccoli. Everything gets cut into small pieces. I add the fillings into each muffin, a little here, a little there. There is really no wrong ratio here. Then I stir each muffin with a teaspoon, so the veggies and ham spread evenly through the batter. At the end, I grate mozzarella over the top. Any yellow cheese works here, that crust comes out beautifully every time. I bake in a preheated oven at 356 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, for about 20 minutes until nicely golden. I let them cool a little, then they come out of the tin more easily. And that's it. Enjoy. If you like simple, lighter muffins like these, leave a like, a comment and subscribe. And thank you for cooking with me today.